In this unit circle survival guide, we'll look to find the exact value of cosine of 3 pi over 2. And we'll use the S.A.R.C method, but before we jump in, we should recognize that 3 pi over 2 is what's called a quadrantal. So it's an angle that has its terminal side that falls on an axis. And we should actually really like this because we'll be able to simplify a lot. We can eliminate some of the steps. We really will just be simplifying S.A.R.C to just the S and the C for all our quadrantal angles. So let's see how this works. Here's an adjusted template just with the S for sketching the angle and the C for calculating. And so we want to find the cosine of 3 pi over 2. So let's go ahead and sketch our angle, our 3 pi over 2. So it's a positive angle, which means we're rotating counterclockwise and we're counting in radians. So here's 0, pi over 2, pi, and 3 pi over 2. So this angle's terminal side falls on the negative part of the y-axis. So now to calculate, we need to come up with the coordinates. And remember, we're working on the unit circle. And so the unit circle's radius is 1. And so the point here must have the coordinates 0, -1, because we're working from the origin. And so now we just need to recall the cosine ratio on the unit circle. So the cosine of an angle is simply going to be the x coordinate. So no real calculation needed. We simply look at our x coordinate, which is 0, and we know that the cosine of 3 pi over 2 is equal to 0. And that's all there is to the simplified method for quadrantals. So think S and C. Be sure to check the video description for links to more examples of both quadrantals and your normal angles. Thanks for watching.